What if I told you there's one trick that can get you 1000 subscribers faster than anything else? It's simple, powerful, and I'm going to reveal it right now. This trick changed everything for me, and it will do the same for you. Let's jump right into it. And this is the results that trick did for my channel when I first discovered it. Here's the trick. You create an engaging YouTube Shorts that gets people to interact using likes, comments, and subscriptions. For example, in the football niche, you post something like this. POV, what happens when you meet your favorite football player? Scroll, he ignores you. Comment, he takes a photo with you. Like, he talks to you. Subscribe and he trains with you. Do all and he becomes your best friend. Around every 20 persons subscribe from this post, and the likes and comments were so high that YouTube thought the video was amazing, so they just kept showing it to more people. You can do this to every other niche you are in. You have to be creative. Let's say you are in the travel niche. You could use these words. Scroll, your flight is delayed. Comment, you get upgraded to first class. Like, you get a free hotel room. Subscribe, you get invited to a private island. Do all, you get unlimited free vacations for life. Another example is if you are in the fitness niche. Scroll, you skip a workout. Comment, you finish your first week of training. Like, you hit a new personal best. Subscribe, you achieve your dream physique. Do all, you become a fitness influencer with sponsorships. The list goes on. My shorts were 40 seconds long, with each clip being 2 seconds. I would recommend posting 5 of these videos in your niche, so one every day. I also want you to post them at the same time each day. I have done this for so many channels, and it has always been giving me minimum of 1000 subscribers in under a week. But you have to remember that consistency is key. You have to post these shorts every day at the same time and just watch what happens to your subscriber count. You might be thinking, can it really be this simple? And the answer is yes. But the key is to stay creative and adapt to what works in your niche. If you want more growth tips like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm always dropping more insider secrets all the time that will help you grow even faster. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at MakeMoneyAlexander. The link is in the description. Feel free to DM me anytime if you have questions about making videos, growing your YouTube channel, or anything YouTube related. I'm always happy to help you. Now go ahead to start posting these shorts. I can't wait to see you hit your first 1000 subscribers.